And it turns out they could predict 75% of brain size and 75% of thinking ability based on nutritional blood levels, plus the anti-nutrient known as trans fat. And so this is my list of nutrients that I was using when I said, okay, I've got to organize and create a eating plan that hopefully will slow down my decline. At that point, I had no hope of recovery because all my reading and all the scientists had told me that functions once lost with progressive MS are gone forever. So I was doing all this just hoping to slow the decline. But here are the things. Vitamin A, retinol, which is the animal form of vitamin A. B1, which is thiamine. B2, riboflavin. B3, niacin. B5, pantothenic acid. B6, pyridoxine. B9, folic acid. B12, cobalamin. Vitamin C, D, E, vitamin K. And now from the vegetables, alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, beta-cryptoxanthin, lutein, lycopene, zeaxanthin. Minerals, iron, copper, zinc, iodine, magnesium, selenium. And some things really good for your mitochondria, carnitine, lipoic acid, creatine. And then fats, necessary to wrap. So all of our cells are wrapped in fat. 70% of that fat will be cholesterol and saturated fat. And then you also have alpha-linoleic acid, eicosapentaenoic acid, docosahexaenoic acid, and arachidonic acid, and gamma-linoleic acid in that fat wrapper. N-acetylcysteine and taurine are also very helpful for boosting your detoxification enzymes and to help your brain make something called gamma-aminobutyric acid, which helps calm inflammation and helps calm excitotoxicity. So those were the nutrients that I tracked, and I wanted to make sure I was getting lots of them to help my cells recover. And so here's the plan. Greens, sulfur-rich vegetables, and color. The sulfur-rich vegetables in the cabbage, onion, and mushroom family will help induce enzymes that help you make gamma-aminobutyric acid and neurotransmitters. It will also dramatically upregulate your enzymes for processing and eliminating toxins in your liver and kidneys. Very helpful. The colored are the antioxidants. That's essentially a good way to track the list of those important plant phytochemicals that are, again, part of the chemistry that is associated with better thinking and clearer brain. Greens, great source of vitamin K. The bacteria in your bowels are going to make that into vitamin K2. It's also a great source of magnesium because magnesium is the central ion in chlorophyll. And furthermore, if you look back for 6 million years, greens were a huge part of our ancestral diet. And if you look at chimpanzees, our closest relative in the wild, that we do most of our scientific medical studies on, we're trying to understand human physiology, their diet is largely based on greens.